Hello everybody. So this is a question that I had encountered recently in one of my Fiji classes. Thought to share it with every one of you. It was a very good question. It involves some great critical thinking. So without further ado, let me start this video and show you the solution. Before that, try it out yourself. It will be very much beneficial because I learned many new things from this. So let's start. What I see from this equation. Let me first write this down. You see x cube is equal to y cube plus 2y square plus 1. So I'm going to make you understand this in a very layman language because I'm myself in 10th grade and I want to understand for even for 6th grade. So basically, what am I saying here? I'm clearly seeing that this quantity is definitely a positive quantity. Why you say so? Because anything squared something is always positive. Into 2, great, that's also positive. Plus 1 makes it more positive. So clearly we can make a relation with x cube and y cube. What can we say? I think you have already learned that x cube is greater than y cube. Why did I do this? Well, simply, for example, you take the example 5 is equal to 2 plus 3. You know that 5 is greater than 2. This is a fundamental theorem that everybody studies. So x cube is greater than y cube. So what I have been asked, number of pairs of x and y, and this is in two variables. So I want to reduce one of them and get a limit for the. In such question, our main objective is to find limit of the values of either x or y. I see that y has been expanded more consistently. It is much better. So I thought that let's take the values for y. Let's make a range for these values. So what I'm going to do now is that this implies x is greater than y. So we know that x should be greater than or equal to y plus 1. Now why I played this move? Well, it's quite simple. This x is greater than or equal to y plus 1 is a very smart move. You know what I'm going to do next? It was going to amaze your mind. Just wait and watch. So basically this had a strategy to it. I'm going to use this as a factorization method. I'm going to cube both sides greater than or equal to y plus 1 over q. Yeah, and some of my classmates also had that y was there then greater than or equal to sign. So basically why I did was that because, for example, let y be equal to x minus 1, right? So let it be y is equal to x minus 1. Then x is, if we add 1, then what will it be? Will it be greater than x minus 1 plus 1? See, it's equal to. So if y is x minus 1, so we can get that equal to sign too. So we can write greater than equal to sign. Now let the magic begin. We know that x cube is what? Here, y cube plus 2y square plus 1. Damn, you're right. Now we are going to place it here. So y cube plus 2y square plus 1 is equal to what? Y cube plus 3y square plus 3y plus 1. Yeah, damn right. Now guys, also it's not greater, it should be greater than equal to. Yeah, so now you're damn right what I'm going to do now. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to cancel this y cube. What else can I do? I can get that here. There will be minus y square. Get this also here. 1 gets cancelled out, reverse the sign. I think we should be getting this. Yeah, definitely we're getting this, people. Less than equal to 0. Let's do this while let's factorize it. Less than equal to 0. So what did we get here? This implies y is less than equal to 0, right? Y we have factorized it as equal to 0, less than equal to 0, and y is supposed to be greater than equal to minus 3. When you add minus 3 to the sign, the signs change. You know that. So now what I'm going to do is that what are the possible values? Y belongs to the set of 0, minus 3. Also, it should be a square bracket because we're including these values, so aren't we? So we got the values of y. Y is equal to what? 0. What is it? 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Yeah, you got that right. Now you're going to plug in these values in damn this. Yeah, you're right. So now let's do it. I had already calculated, so I will not waste your time. Put that in. You get for 0 as 1. For minus 1, it was not an integer. Yeah, damn right. And for minus 2, what we're going to get here is 1. And minus 2, we're going to get is minus 2. And now the question what it has, number of pairs of x comma y. So x comma y, and what I've found, y comma x. So I'm just gonna reverse this, x comma y. So the required pairs are, what are they? 1 comma 0 comma 1 comma minus 2 people, and minus 2 comma minus 3. Let me just slow that down. Yeah, so this is our solution. And yeah, I took around approximately 6 minutes to solve this, but it was not that hard. I, like, when I was in the class, it took me only around 2 minutes to understand and 1 minute to quickly solve this. So here's the basically what you can say, an advice for all those aspirants who are trying to achieve something in life. You're trying to aspire something for it. My only advice is that such questions that make you feel so uneasy, for example this, just look at this. When I first saw, I became uneasy. Number of order pairs, damn, what should we do? The only goal in such questions should be get a range of possible values of y or x, but always try to find for the range of values or a possible value. There can be one value or no value. So basically you have to take 3 cases here: no value, one value, more than one value. So try to find it for the variable that is occurring mostly frequently in such questions, and yeah, then you'll solve it, and then you have to play a trick or two. Basically I knew these type of questions, I had experience, and you'll also gain experience. I'm going to frequently post more videos on this channel, and do subscribe and like and share. Thank you, and I'll surely love to read your comments. Thank you very much, everyone.